Ever wondered why your wrists ache after a long day of typing? Today, we're diving into the world of smart ergonomic keyboards, designed to enhance comfort and supercharge your productivity like never before. Traditional keyboards force your hands into unnatural angles, causing fatigue, discomfort, and even long-term injuries such as carpal tunnel syndrome. Enter the smart ergonomic keyboard. Featuring split layouts, adjustable tinting, and adaptive key mapping, these devices are built to fit you perfectly, not the other way around. Imagine a keyboard that learns your typing habits and subtly adapts to your unique style, reducing strain and boosting efficiency with every keystroke. The real game changer? Many models now include AI-powered suggestions and customizable shortcuts, making repetitive tasks faster and easier. Whether you're a coder, writer, or remote worker, upgrading to an ergonomic keyboard means fewer breaks, less pain, and more output throughout your day. Ready to transform your typing experience and protect your hands? Give smart ergonomic keyboards a try and feel the difference for yourself. Please like and subscribe for more tech review videos.